County in southeastern North Carolina, central Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina, northeastern Marlborough County in northeastern South Carolina, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over McCall, or near Bennettsville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lumberton, Bennettsville, Dillon, Red Springs, Pembroke, Fairmont, Maxton, McCall, Roland, Clio, Rex, Hammer, south of the border, Cheyenne, Bowie, Wakulla, Minturn, Elrod, Reman, and Barnesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather